Rick Grimes stands in front of a sleek, futuristic factory. The camera pans to reveal a massive banner that reads, "Welcome to Morana Industries, the future of Robotech manufacturing." All right, folks, welcome to the future. I'm Rick Grimes, your fearless leader, and today we're live from Morana Industries, the most advanced Robotech manufacturing facility in Madripoor. This place is where dreams are built, and I've got a special guest with me today, our newest squad member, Eugene Porter. Say hello, Eugene. Eugene steps into the frame, looking slightly nervous, but excited. Hey everyone, I'm Eugene, the new guy. 7 months in, and I'm already learning from the best. Rick's been showing me the ropes, and today we're diving into the world of Robotech. I'm pumped. That's right, Eugene. And today, your task is simple. Learn everything about this factory, the VF7 Sylphid, and how we're going to sell these bad boys to property owners across Madripoor. But first, let's meet the brains behind this operation. The camera cuts to a sharply dressed CEO walking toward the group. Welcome, Rick and Eugene. I'm Marana Novak, CEO of Morana Industries, named after Marana, the Slavic goddess of winter and rebirth, because here we're rebooting the future of manufacturing. Our venture capital partners, Velas Ventures and Jarilo Capital, have helped us build this state-of-the-art facility. Now, let's show you around. Factory tour begins. The group walks through the factory. The camera captures rows of robotic arms assembling sleek, futuristic VF7 Sylphid fighters. All right, Eugene, this is what we're selling. The VF7 Sylphid, customizable, efficient, and built right here in Madripoor. Our job is to find property owners who can house these beauties. What do you think? I'm thinking we need to target owners with 30,000 plus square feet of space. That's the sweet spot for these manufacturing cells. And with an 85% occupancy rate, there's plenty of opportunity. Exactly. And with a cap rate of 10% and a DSCR of 2.10, these properties are solid investments. We just need to find the right buyers. The group stops at a workstation where a technician is customizing a VF7 Sylphid on a Tesla-like website interface. Check this out. You can customize your own VF7 Sylphid right here. Pick your color, armor, engine, cockpit, even the cup holders if you want. It's like building your dream car, but for Robotech. Cup holders? Sold. But seriously, this is what we're pitching to property owners. Imagine their vacant spaces filled with these customizable manufacturing cells. It's a win-win. Exactly. And that's where we come in. Our goal is to generate 2 seller leads a day, submit 1 offer, and set 1 appointment. By the end of the year, we'll have 520 leads, 260 offers, and a pipeline that's the envy of Madripoor. And if we scale up to 8 leads and 4 offers a day, we're looking at $1 million year. The camera cuts to a whiteboard where Rick outlines Eugene's task. Here's your mission, Eugene. Lead generation. 2 seller leads a day from light industrial property owners with 5+ portfolios. Outreach. Use our website to showcase the VF7 Sylphid and its customization options. Follow-up. Build relationships with property owners and investors. Remember, it's not about the number of dials, it's about the results. Got it, Rick. I'll make it happen. Adding flair to the pitch. The group moves to a testing area where a VF7 Sylphid is being put through its paces. The fighter transforms from a sleek jet to a humanoid robot, then back again. That's what I'm talking about. This thing's got more moves than a walker in a shopping mall. Property owners are going to eat this up. I'm sold. Let's get out there and make some deals. The camera pans out as the team starts dialing, with the factory humming in the background. The screen fades to the Morana Industries logo and the tagline, "Customize your future. Build it in Madripoor." Stay tuned, Madripoor. The future is coming, and we're bringing it to you. Visit www.moranatechindustries.com to customize your own VF7 Sylphid today. Choose your color, armor, engine, and more. The future of Robotech is in your hands. Outro music's a high-energy synth track fades out as the screen displays the Real Dial Pro Squad's contact info and social media handles.